Everyone, this is Summer, my new assistant.
Hi.
Do you like me?
I think it's official. I'm in love with Summer. I love her smile. I love her hair. I love her knees. I love this heart-shaped birthmark she has on her neck. I love the way she sometimes licks her lips before she talks. I love the sound of her laugh. I love the way she looks when she's sleeping.
There's no such thing as love, it's fantasy.
Yeah. Yeah, of course I like it.
As friends?
I hate this song!
Thomas?
It's cards. Movies and the pop songs, they're to blame for our lives. A heartache. What do you think? We're responsible. She's not interested in me. There's really nothing I can do about it.
Tom, don't go. You're still my best friend.
People don't realize this, but loneliness, it's underrated.
I think we should stop seeing each other.
You never wanted to be anybody's girlfriend, and now you're somebody's wife.
I just woke up one day and I knew.
Knew what?
What I was never sure of with you.
This is exactly what I'm talking about. What does that even mean? Love. I think we do a bad thing. People should be able to say how they feel. Summer, I really do hope that you're happy.